I'm working on a 2013 Mazda 3. As you can see, I need a car wash. But anyways, so we're doing the brakes, and of course, this little bugger back here, this one that has the cap on it, well, it's an Allen head, and it's not a common one. I drop you guys, you all right? You okay? Now toughen up. So, and this is a 20-piece Swan Lake set, and this has got to be about the most complete set I've ever seen. So it came with the number 7 that we needed here, and it also comes with a breaker bar, an extendable one. Now, how many kits give you a breaker bar? So pretty confident about how strong these are. This is a nice set. So link in the description, and yeah guys, do it. If you're gonna do disc brakes on any little car, on anything pretty much, God, they're like 40 bucks. Go get one of these. These kits, they come with all these little different discs, and I know a lot of guys can do it with the C-clamp. I compressed the discs for years and years with a C-clamp. This is by far so much easier. If you've got a disc brake that's like corroded or burned into it, this just pulls it right through, makes it so much easier. I'll show you here in a bit. The only thing is you have to put this thing together. It's going to come out of this kit, and it's going to look like that, and you're going to say, whoa, what the heck? But here's how it goes together. Here's your little torquey tension knob, and it has to go through there. Hey, even guys with giant thumbs can do this. So, and then that backs up right against that. So this whole thing slides into here and holds pressure on the caliper to keep it open, so you can just you put the brake pads in and hold it open, and then when you're ready to install it on the car, you just unscrew the pressure on this, yank it out of here, and then slide your caliper on, and your 2 number 9s in back here, you tighten up. It's really easy. So there you are. So here we go. We're putting our tool together just like that, and my car is the size that has this little pad with the little knobs on it already built in. This kit here has got different ones for, like my big Super Duty. We use these great big pads, and these other ones, you know, for bigger cars, different size cars. Well, they're designed to just snap over the end of those little titties or knobs, whatever. Don't sue me, YouTube. Don't sue me. And so I just stick it on here like that. Oh, we need a little less. Crank her back in a little more. Jet airplane, take me away to somewhere where it's really warm. Okay, so if you can see in there, what we're going to try and do, we're going to try and get those little knobs to fit on the piston caliper and trying to get them to hook up there. And what I did is I took my file, kind of filed them down a little bit so they anchor in there and grab that. And then with this tool, oh, we might do a little spinach. Okay, we're locked in. And then we just keep cranking, and you'll watch as the piston goes back inside of the rubber seal here. And you know what? My rubber seal's starting to get damaged. I see some holes here and some different places. That would be probably a good indicator for me to change out the boot. And this is just a little extension bar I made out of a piece of pipe, wrap some black tape on it, and that gives me a little bit more leverage. See, we're compressing the piston down, so we'll get this compressed down and we'll be right back with you. Okay, I've been cranking away while you've been twiddling your thumbs watching YouTube. That's okay. That's what it's for, right? And what we have done is we've used this tool to push and turn that piston to make it go in. Some guys just think you just got to push it. And even I fumbled with it for years with a C-clamp, trying to push that in and using this thing. And you know, your ratchet here. Oh, it's cold as hell. I'm trying to get my hands to work. And you've got this thing on your ratchet and you're trying to get that, and you don't even think about turning it and pushing it. But finally, somehow I got the hang of it to where I used the C-clamp to push it and this to make the turn. It's just difficult. This tool that I'm using right now saves all of that. It's so easy. And two things I like: cheap and easy. That's like me. Okay, so make sure we got our number 9s here. Let's see if we're cranked in all the way. We are cranked in all the way. So I'm going to loosen this.
Someone's calling you.
And take it away real fast.
I'm gonna pause it.
Yep. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Got my little homemade extension here. You don't have to have that. That just kind of helps. Especially when that thing's digging into your palm. You know what I mean, Vern? And we are cranked all the way out as far as this tool will go. This thing has caught the little nibs in there and pushed the piston back now. And I think next time around I'm going to order a seal and change the seal out on this. This car's got 200,000 miles on it. Thank you, Jim. And we're going to get this seal replaced. But we are nice and cranked out. And what we're going to do is I'm going to loosen this. I'm going to quickly drop in my new ceramic brakes. And then I'm going to slide it onto the rotor, kind of in one fall swoop. Okay, Jimmy, you ready? You hold the camera for me. Okay, here we go. Loosen it. The clock is ticking. Doodle-la, doodle-la. All right. Now, I want to get this bad boy. Well, I might have to do it like this. There we go. I think that's how I did it last time. Yes. Oh, turn that bit. Oh, there. That's the back one. And my pin fell out. This is the hardest part of this whole deal. Let's see. That goes there. Oh, come on, fingers. Twist. Let me get this. We'll get it on with this guy. I almost should have had that little black one. That little black one in the pause that. So what I'm having to do is switch over to a regular hand Allen, just because it's hard to get my ratchet. About frozen. Okay, you can pause. All right, what we've done is tightened the caliper up, made sure that the cable here is still attached to the caliper. Make sure the rear brake handle cable is still attached. This is the way to go, these little short sockets. I don't know if you saw or not the trouble I had trying to break it with one of these and an extension bar. I didn't think it was gonna go, but one of these, and we got her tightened up. Whoops, sorry. And we're gonna check the bottom. We don't need to be crazy tight, just nice and snug. Now we're done with that. That looks good. Our spring is in on the back. This will tighten up as we go, and the only thing we have to do now is to put the wheel on, and we're golden.